In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Google Drive spam. If you're like many of us, you appreciate how Google Drive can efficiently streamline file storage and sharing. But let's face it, dealing with spam on this platform can be a frustrating experience. That's why today, we'll walk through a simple process to block unwanted spam, reclaim your drive space, and ensure that your files stay organized and secure. To get started, we'll navigate to Google Drive by opening your browser and typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Hit Enter, and shortly you'll be in your Google Drive account. Here, you'll see all your files and folders, but today, we're focusing on how to manage any unsolicited files. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a menu bar. One of the options here is Shared with Me. This section includes all the documents that others have shared with you. Click on it, and a list of files and folders that you've received will appear. This is where you'll locate any documents you find intrusive or unnecessary. Now, within this section, go through the shared files and identify any unwanted file or folder. Once you find it, hover your cursor over the item, and then right-click. A context menu will pop up with several options. What you're looking for is the option that says Block or Report. Click it, and you'll be guided to the next step. After clicking Block or Report, a new window will pop up. This window appears to ensure you only report content that genuinely needs attention, safeguarding against accidental reporting. Here, you'll be presented with different types of reports you can make. It's crucial to select the most appropriate reason for reporting this file. For instance, if the file is clearly spam, go ahead and choose the option labeled Spam. Alternatively, if you're dealing with something more severe, such as abusive content, be sure to select that option instead. This careful selection helps Google understand the nature of the issue better, potentially aiding in its resolution. Once you've selected the appropriate report type, the last thing you need to do is click Report. By doing so, you're completing the process of flagging this file or folder. Google will receive your report and take the necessary measures to address the issue. This not only helps you manage your own space, but also ensures a safer and more user-friendly environment within Google Drive for everyone. And there you have it, a straightforward method to block spam in your Google Drive. By taking these steps, you help maintain a clean and efficient workspace, free from the clutter and potential risks that spam files might pose. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough today, and I hope this simple solution enhances your Google Drive experience.